Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes of St. Joseph's Academy. I am Akanksha, your maths teacher. Today, we are going to discuss our chapter 7, that is division. So let's start exercise 7a. So children, the first question given to us is 3432 divided by 26. So here 3426 is our dividend and 26 is our divisor. So we have to write it as like this. The divisor should be written at the left side and the dividend should be written in the middle. Now the divisor is having the two digits. So first of all you have to take the two digits from your dividend, that is 34. Now 34 will goes one time. So 1 time 26 is 26, and when you subtract 26 from 34 you will get 8. Now you have to take this 3 down here. Now the number will become 83. Now you will see how many times it will go. So 83 will go at 3 times. So 26 times 3 is 78. So when you subtract 78 from 83, you will get 5. Then the next step is you have to take this 2 down, and now your number becomes 52. Now you have to see which number will divide this 52, by how many times this 52 is divisible. So 26 times 2 is 52. So after subtracting you will get the remainder 0. Now your answer is 132. Our next question is divide 6204 by 94. So here 94 is our divisor and 6204 is our dividend. Now divide, we have to take two digits first. So this is 62, but 62 is smaller than 94. Then we have to take one more digit. So now we are having the number 620. Now 94 multiplied by 6 is 564. So when we subtract 620 and 564, we will get 56. Then you take this 4 down. Now our number is 564, and 94 times 6 is 564. Now we get the remainder 0. So our answer is 66. Now see question number 2, A part. Here we have to divide 23,374 by 29. 29 is our divisor, so you place it here, and 23,374 is our dividend, so you place it under this division symbol. Now divide. First we'll take the 3 digits. So now the number we are having is 233. So when we multiply 29 by 8 times, we get 232. And after subtracting, we get 1. So first we'll take the next number, that is 7. We have written 7 first. So it becomes 17, but 17 is smaller than 29, so we have to take one more digit. So before taking the next digit, we have to put 0. Then only we can take the next digit. So next digit is 4. So Now our number is 174. 29 times 6 is 174. And after subtracting, we get the remainder 0. So our answer is 806. This is our answer which we get after dividing 23,374 by 29. Now, the B part is divide 37,080 by 18. So 18 is our divisor, 37,080 is our dividend. Now you have to divide. You take first two digits, that is 37. So 18 times 2 is 36. When we subtract, we get 1. Now you take the next digit, that is 0. But now we are having the number 10. But 10 is smaller than 18, so we have to take the next digit. But before that, we have to put a 0 here. Then only we can take the next digit. So after taking the next digit 8, our number becomes 108. And 18 times 6 is 108. So after dividing, we get 0. Now, 1 0 is left. That also we have to take it down. Now, the 0 is not divisible. So we have to put one more 0 for not dividing 0. So our answer is, after dividing 37,080 by 18, the answer, the quotient we get is 2,060. Now question number 3 is, we have to divide 1,41,100 by 17. 17 is our divisor and 1,41,100 is our dividend. So first we take the 3 digits because if we'll take the 2 digits, that is 14, and 14 is smaller than 17, so we have to take the 3 digits. So our number is 141. 17 times 8 is 136. And when you subtract these two numbers, we get 5. Now you take the next number, that is 1. Now our number is 51. So 17 times 3 is 51. So after subtracting 51 by 51, we get 0. But the 2 digits are left. Now you take the next number, that is 0. So the 0 is not divisible. So we have to write a 0 here in the quotient. Now you have to take the next digit, that is again 0. This 0 is also not divisible. So you have to write 0 again. So our answer after dividing 1,41,100 by 17 is 8,300. B part is 2,03,047. Divide 2,03,047 by 54. 54 is our divisor and 2,03,047 is our dividend. So you write like this. Now you have to take the 3 digits first. So we are having the number 203. And 54 times 3 is 162. So when you subtract 203 and 162, you get the difference 41. Now you have to take the next number 0. So the number becomes 410. 54 times 7 is 378. When you subtract both the numbers, you get the difference 32. Now take the next number down, that is 4. So our number becomes 324. And 54 times 6 is 324. And after subtracting, we get the remainder 0. But one more number is left. So you write down the 7 down. But this 7 is not divisible. So we have to write 0 for that. So we get the quotient 3760 and the remainder is 7. So when you divide 2,03,047 by 54, you get the quotient 3760 and remainder 7. Now children, our next question is divide and check the answer. So first you have to divide and then you have to check your answer whether is it correct or not. So the question given to us is 80 divided by 15. Here 80 is our dividend and 15 is our divisor. So you have to write as 18 divisor and 15 divisor and 80 as dividend. So when you divide, so 15 times 5 is 75 and after subtracting you get the remainder 5. So here quotient is 5 and the remainder is also 5. Now you have to check your answer whether is it correct or not. So for checking, what you have to do is, so children, dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Now in this question, our dividend is 80. So 80, this will be equals to dividend divisor is 15, quotient is 5 and remainder is also 5. So 15 times 5 is 75 plus 5, you get 80, which is equals to our dividend. That means our division is correct. We got the correct answer. Now see one more question. Here 4602 divided by 15. 59 is our divisor and 4602 is our dividend. So after dividing 460, we'll take the number first 460, these 3 digits, and 59 times 7 is 413. So after subtracting you get 47. Then you have to take the next digit 2 down. So our number becomes 472. And 59 times 8 is 472. So you get the remainder 0. So here our quotient is 78 and remainder is 0. Now children, we will check whether our answer is correct or not. Now I told you that we have to do quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder, that must be equals to our dividend. So here divisor is 59, quotient is 78 and remainder is 0. So when you multiply 59 and 78, you get 4602 plus remainder, that is 0. So we get the same number 4602, which is equals to dividend. So our answer is correct. I hope you all understood this. Thank you so much.